Good morning, it's me, PamVanEe, and I have a couple things to share today. I thought I'd share my glue book and then also, what I've done so far in it. And then also, I was contacted by your creative studio, and I received a box from them, and I believe these are monthly subscriptions. And there's a little glare. So I am excited to open this one up. It comes in this cute little box. And there's the name, Your Creative Studio. I'll put the link in the description. Oh, here's a pretty card. And it says, "All a flower blossoms for its own joy. Oscar Wilde." That's very pretty. Look at that card. And Your Creative Studio. So this is the collection they sent me. Look how pretty this paper is. Their little logo here, Your Creative Studio. I unfortunately had to tear it, but I can use the rest of the paper. That's really beautiful paper, though. Look how nicely it's packaged in here. How fun. I'm excited. So I'm just going to pull everything out, and then we can look at it. Wow. Get quite a bit in here. Look at everything. So many fun things. And here's the beautiful paper, which I will definitely reuse. Let's see. So I think this was the vintage one. Vintage collection. Here's some washi. And cute little bags that you can reuse. Oh, pretty. I love blue. And it is a little blue flowers. So pretty here. Maybe I was going to reuse some envelopes. And if I could find the end, I will check out here. There we go. It's got a really pretty vintage look to it. Since I'm going to be altering this envelope someday. Look at that. That's pretty. Love that washi tape, and I will reuse the envelope. Very nice. Look at these papers here. Masking tape. Oh, that's pretty. It's like masking paper, or I think it's like a tissue. Oh, look at them all. Ooh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? A soft green and look at golden color. Very beautiful. Looks like maybe you get 5 or 6 pieces of that. That would be really pretty to tear and put on your pages. Lovely. Okay, and this are really pretty, like little vellum stamps that you could put on here. You know what? I think I'm just going to decorate this as I'm hadn't planned on it, but I think I will. And I kind of like that this shows through that it says first class mail. And yeah, we might as well just show what you can do. One little project. You could do a whole lot with it. But here's an impromptu. Project. Oops. Well, it looks like that's about done. So let's put that on there. I think I'll bring it around the edge too. Let's find another glue stick. Very pretty. I was thinking about putting one of these on as a, stamp. So let's see what else we get. What I could do, how about if we tear off a piece of this. And I want to keep, I like where it shows through the first class mail. So we did that. Oops, my end frame. Hadn't planned on this, but look, I'm getting a little project done. Okay. Then, yeah, these stickers are pretty. So I could take that off. And I think I want to add it here. I might just add glue just to, because the paper's kind of torn there. Okay, that's what we've got so far. And let's see other things that we got. Look how beautiful this paper is. Oh, I love birds. This is so pretty. Look at that design in there. Your Creative Studio paper ephemera. 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. Oh, I love this kit. This is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Paper ephemera, that's pretty too. Definitely want to reuse that. Isn't that gorgeous? The birds. It feels like a sticker paper. Beautiful. I think I'm going to use this on the envelope here somewhere. Yes, we'll do that. Ooh, I love that color. They feel like sticker papers. Beautiful. Oh, look how cute. The bird. And then this is like a thinner paper. I am very impressed. It's beautiful. Then it repeats. Gorgeous. And you have vellum. Same design, but with a vellum. That's gorgeous. Thrilled with that. It's beautiful. How about we use this on the back side? It's a sticker paper. And let's see, I think I will see, is this sticker? I think so. Yep. Nope. Then what I do with those scissors I just had here. Well, here's a pair. And we'll just cut, or you can bring it up. I think I'll bring it up here. And then I'll add more, something else here, but that will. Hope you're having a great day. I hope to get outside because we were gone for a couple weeks. And things need to be weeded, you know. So I need to get out and do something like that. It might be a little coolish, but not too bad. I don't know if it's 50s, 60s. To check it out. So far, that's what we've got done. Love that. I'm really having fun with this kit. Okay, and then we have these beautiful, looks like vellum stickers, yes. Oh, they're transfer stickers. Oh yeah, and you've got a little spatula. And cut them out and put them on there. Beautiful. Oh, look at the dragonfly. Oh, these are gorgeous. Aren't they beautiful? And then this would be a pretty card to put, you know, maybe inside the envelope too. We'll see. So I think we should use well, we might use this. We'll see. But these are really pretty. Let's see what else we got. Oh, everything. This is exciting. Cling stamp. Oh, cute. Oh, these are pretty. Beautiful flower that match the set. Aren't they pretty? So I definitely will be using those stamps. And I have this blue. That would be pretty, wouldn't it? So I'm just winging it. This is how I work anyway, so. We have this blue. Now, oh yeah, I think you take this part off. Right? Does that stick? Well, I'm just going to use it like this. And I think I'm just going to go right like that. Didn't show up a whole lot, but a little bit. I just used a soft color blue. They say when you get a new stamp, you're supposed to rough it up or something. This color might be a little light too. Oh, that's darker. That's pretty. Goes with the color in the paper. I love those stamps. Thank you so much, your creative studio. I'm having a lot of fun. Okay, what else? Oh, look at these vellum stickers. Wow, lots of them. I love stickers. Look at all these. I think a couple of each kind. Go use that somewhere. Oh, they're beautiful. They look like dried flowers. Oh, look at that one. Look at them all. So pretty. Aren't they gorgeous? I think I'm going to go something like this here. Now these can be tricky to take apart. I know I've seen people use tape to get them apart, you know, a little Scotch tape. Okay. I like that here. And maybe I think I'm going to put this one over here. Hopefully I'm still recording. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do the glue book. So, and there was a little, the glue book got wet in the pickup truck. So I've been spending about a half hour just trying to dry it out. So that was discouraging, but what do you do? I'll show it to you, next video, and I dried it out the best I could. But somehow, it's been raining a lot, like all the way home from Florida to Michigan. It pretty much rained. Okay, I'm going to stop this a minute to get this apart. Okay, I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Okay, I got it apart. Fits right there. And let's see what else we can do. All right, these are, this is Time Collection. Looks like stickers. There's a really cool map. And today, really cute little a couple more stickers. So these would be kind of cute to add somewhere. And there's purple in this. Look at all the little ticket type things. Let's see, what can we add? I think I like that. Now, I think these are just paper. I'll add this. Well, you can see how the Creative Studio really got me thinking creatively, right? Because look, I just opened it up and it was so easy to, be inspired to do a project. And I think I want to ink this up. This little paper here. And we'll add it. Hope you're having a great day today and doing something fun and creative. A little bit, maybe you have to do other things, but hopefully you can do something you enjoy. Let's add this. It almost looks like it's a, like a stamp background, like it's gummed, which I'm not sure, but I would glue it anyway, so. And that's what we got so far here. And added these things. Okay. Love that. All right, what else? Another cling stamp. Who doesn't like cling stamps? Or stamps. Oh, that's pretty. So you could put a little, isn't that beautiful? I mean, that could go here. Maybe in a black. Oh, this is like a blue. Twilight. Let's do it. Pretty. Well, this is fun. Just an impromptu crafting. I was just going to show your studio what I got, but it will spark your creativity, as you can see. It gets you excited about working with it because you've got everything right here. Okay, I'll reuse the envelope. What else? Okay, see what else we have. Ooh, some Time Flies series bill collection. Oh wow, it's like a little, look at all the fun things. Oh, I love this. Order blank, single entry ledger. Ooh, that's cool. Flour, grain, and feed. That's pretty. Like little receipts. Oh, they're beautiful. Ice cream, wholesale and retail. Ooh, I love this. Butcher. These are awesome. Look. Very cool. And what I could do, I could add that to the envelope. What I do, seal it. And then that would show through here. Coming together. Yeah, I love those. Okay, I've got more. Then we have this Land of All Things. Oh, those are pretty. Look at the mushrooms. So you get all those designs. I am having fun with this. Ooh, Land of All Things. And I think if this was backed with paper, that would be great to put in here too. So I'm going to add that. Oh, I just smeared. Smeared. Should have let that dry a little bit, shouldn't I? But that's okay. It gives a look at it. Give it a little blue. You can always fix things or make things work. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? 2 of those. I like the feel of the paper. Ooh. Tulip. That's cool. That's very pretty. Plant handbook. Little cute little butterfly there. Look at the shape of that. Awesome. 2 of each. There's a little dragonfly. Mushroom. See that cool, the shape of the paper? Little daisies. Oh, I love that one. This one. Just 2 of each. This one. It's cool. It's got like faux stitching, like almost like a fabric. Oh, so pretty. Lovely. I think that's, I just want to anchor something here. So I'm not done, so I'll do that. Ooh, I've got this purple too. So we'll see. Okay, what else? So many fun things. It's so exciting. So I was sad about my journal getting wet in the cab of the, I guess, the pickup that we drove, you know, back from vacation. But this really cheers me up. Look at this. This is such a beautiful pack. It's like in this paper little envelope. Bottling company. It's got a really cool texture to the paper. Statement. Oh, that's cool. Like the vintage advertisements. Then you get so much. Look at this. That's awesome. You could just put that right down on a journal page. You already got your pocket. And then you have twine too that you could use. Oh, these are cool. This might be what I anchor something down on the back. Lots of different colors. And let's look what we got here. Ooh, this is like a handmade paper feel. Oh, these are awesome. It's like a handmade paper. Really pretty. And this is like a textured. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Very nice quality paper. Gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. Very pretty. Well, I'm very happy with this kit. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, and oh my, I'm still not done. I have this. Okay, I've got a couple things in here. Oh, then you get this, past memory. Look at all the stuff you get. Very impressed. And then those rub-ons still. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. It's dried flower. That's amazing. Some other little vellum type pieces. What does that say? August. August. You get 2 of each. Wednesday. It's cute. Looks like a little mini tag with a little girl on it. It's vellum. The cloud. 2 of those with a paint easel. Vintage. Oh, look, the cute little bunny. And a little girl. 2 of those. 2 of these. Little calendar. White calendar. So pretty. List. I think I'm going to put this in here too. So in the journal, you would have a couple things. You know, when you would put this in a journal, you'd have a couple things. Okay, so now I could, you know, use a rub-on to finish this off. Let's see. I wanted to anchor something right here. Thinking one of these labels here. Okay. Just stress it a little bit. I think I'll add that here. Okay. Oh, I had the pin out. Ah, it's still coming out. And then I would ink. Ink this, and I like how it's tattered right here. The envelope. I would put it in like that. All right, let's see if we need anything else. So we have a few things in it. So we have so far. And that, I think I'm happy with the back. And I think I would I could do like a faux stamp here. You know, off stitching maybe. It doesn't have to. I think I like that. I could put some more washi tape here. But I think I like it just like this. Kind of don't want to overdo. I love this. very pretty. But I've already got this flower. I don't know if I want to mix that. So thank you, your creative studio. I really enjoyed making, using something impromptu. I hadn't planned on anything, but I had brought these envelopes down and they were right here. And I thought, well, let's try the washi tape. And then it went from there. So I am very thankful that you sent me this box of all these amazing things. So I'll put a link to their your creative studio, and I hope you all have a great day and do something creative, and I'm going to have more fun with all this stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you. If you would like or comment, I love that. It helps to get my channel out there. It seems like my channel is really slowed down. I don't know why, but I would really appreciate it if you would link or share or subscribe. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, but wait, there's more. After looking at it, I just quickly added some more. I added some washi tape that I had. And then I added that cute little girl to the center. I just thought it gave it a little more something. So now that's the final for the envelope. All right, so see you next time. Bye-bye.